Good morning. Good morning, students. Yes, good morning. So let's start with our class. It is Act 4, fourth act है, and it is page number 92. Page number 92, Act 4, Scene 1. So in our last scene, we saw that Portia, she leaves her place, and then uh, Bassanio and with him this Graciano, he also, both of them, they went to Venice. And now in this scene of fourth act, there is this trial. Trial is that you are in a court of law, and here is first enters the Duke, the Magnificos, Antonio, Bassanio, Graciano, Salerio, and others. So here the Magnificos is the nobleman of Venice, and all of them are there: Antonio, Bassanio, Graciano. And Duke says, "What is Antonio here?" He asks that, "Is Antonio here? Antonio hai yahan?" And Antonio replies, "Ready. So please, your grace." So he says, "Yes, I'm ready. I'm here. And yes, please start the proceedings." And Duke says, "I am sorry for thee. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary, an inhuman wretch, incapable of pity, void and empty from any dram of mercy." So he's feeling this pain for Antonio, and that is why he's saying, "I'm sorry. I feel sorry for you. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary," means you have to answer, or your adversary is opponent. Your opponent in this case is this Shylock, who is stony. Stony means hard, who is having this hard heart or cruel, and inhuman wretch. So, what is human? Human is having the human qualities like love, compassion, sympathy, all these. But here, Shylock is having none of these, and that is why he calls that him an inhuman wretch. Wretch is worthless or miserable thing. So he is like that, incapable of pity, void, and empty from any dram of mercy. So incapable is incapable. He is not capable of showing any mercy. Void and empty is he is without. He is devoid of from any dram of mercy. From dram is here means dram means bit or very little quantity of something. So here he is not having uh, uh, even the slightest of mercy. And Antonio says, "I have heard your grace had taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course." So Antonio is here kind of thanking Duke, because Duke went to Shylock. He went there to uh, to to convince him that forget about this, forgive him, forgive Antonio. And that's why Antonio says that your grace, that you went, you visited Shylock and taken great pains to qualify. Qualify is to convince him, to soften him, and you tried very hard to convince him his rigorous course. Rigorous course is here that will of Shylock, that I know I will have my bond. That is course, that is the path on which he is. And rigorous is, again, rigorous means severe, intense. So that wish of Shylock, which is very intense, he is adamant that I am going to have my bond. And but since he stands obdurate, obdurate is which denying to reform, refusing to reform means Shylock is not ready to to change his will, and and that no lawful means can carry me out of his envy's reach. And by the lawful means, I cannot I cannot be saved from his envy's reach means his his hatred. He has he has caught me here. So nothing can save me if, as far as it is lawful, I do oppose my patience to his fury. So fury is his anger. I do oppose. Opposes. I am going against my patience because my I am not having this patience. My patience is losing, but still I am trying to to stay patient and to his anger, and I am armed to suffer with a quietness of spirit. Armed is that I am ready to suffer with a quietness of spirit. Quietness of spirit is calmly, with a calm, with a calmness. I am ready to suffer, ready to bear that pain when he will cut a pound of my flesh. The very tyranny and rage of his, and tyranny is cruelty, and rage is anger. I am ready for everything what he has for me. And Duke says, "Go one and call the Jew into the court." So he is sending here one of his servants there, that go and bring Shylock here. And Salerio says, "He is ready at the door. He is ready there. He is at the door. He comes, my lord. He is about to come here." And then enter Shylock. And so now Shylock is here in the court. And Duke says, "Make room and let him stand before our face." Make room is make some space, give him the way to come and stand in front of us, before our faces, in front of us. So here in this dialogue, uh, all of these people here in the court, uh, including Duke, all of them are not able to believe that it is actually happening. They are not able to believe their eyes that this is what is happening, because they cannot imagine that how a person can be this this much cruel like Shylock. So they think that Shylock is Duke thinks that uh, Shylock is pretending to be cruel. He is pretending to be cruel, and at the end of this decision, which will be given by Duke, he will show his kindness, and he will surprise everyone. So they are thinking that it is his plan. That's why Duke says, "Shylock, the world thinks, and I think so too." World is all these people here, everyone in Venice, all of them, all of them think uh, that thou but least this fashion of thy malice to the last hour of act. And then this thought thou wilt show thy mercy and remorse more strange than is thy strange apparent cruelty. So he says that all of these people in Venice, and including me, we think that thou but least this fashion of thy malice. You are leading on this way of wickedness. Malice is wickedness. You are leading on this way, या फिर fashion is that you are pretending to be cruel to the last hour of act. Last hour of act is until the final decision, and then it is thought. Then all of us are thinking that thou wilt show thy mercy, you will show your kindness, and remorse more strange, and you are going to remorse or lament that you were so cruel. Then is thy strange apparent cruelty. So just like as you are showing your cruelty now, in that same way you will show your kindness. And there thou now exacts the penalty, and there thou now exacts the penalty means as far as your penalty is concerned, means that pound of flesh is concerned, which is a pound of this poor merchant's flesh, thou will not only lose the forfeiture, you not only will lose or forgive the forfeiture, his penalty, but touched with human gentleness and love, forgive a moiety of the principle. But out of the touched with human gentleness and love is out of the love and kindness of a human being, you will forgive moiety of the principal. Principal is that amount which Shylock lent to Antonio. That was 3,000 ducats. So he's saying you will not forgive the penalty. You will not take that pound of flesh. Not only that, but you will also uh, forgive or lose the half of the amount which you gave to Antonio. Moiety here is half or a portion of something, a part. So they are thinking that Shylock is pretending and he is going to show his mercy at the end. And he says next, glancing an eye of pity on his losses that have of late so huddled on his back, enough to press a royal merchant down and pluck commiseration of his state from brassy bosoms. So again he is saying, glancing an eye of pity, that you will glance is looking, that you will look with pity, with kindness at uh, uh, at Antonio on his losses, at those losses which Antonio has suffered, that have of late so huddled. Huddled is coming together or getting together. So all these ships which were coming from different countries, all of them suddenly, collectively, all of them they got wrecked. So all of those ships they got destroyed, and suddenly Antonio is having this huge loss, and and all of these losses they have come upon his back, enough to press a royal merchant, and this this huge loss which he has suffered is enough to break him, to break this royal merchant down and pluck commiseration of his state. So it is next that one thing is you are going to look with pity at Antonio at his losses, and second is you will pluck or give commiseration. Commiseration is sympathy, or to offer condolences, that you are going to give him sympathy and you are going to feel his pain of his state, of his this loss from brassy bosoms and rough hearts of flint. So flint is this. hard stone. So it is here symbol of hard hearts, hearts which have no kindness, without any any pity. And brassy bosom is heart again, and brassy is just like brass, brass की तरह है. And so again that is tough. So people who do not have this kind of kindness or sympathy, even those people those people will feel or will sympathize with Antonio at his this great loss. From stubborn Turks and Tartars, never trained to offices of tender courtesy. Tender is delicate, offices here is acts that they never learned these acts, or they never learned to sympathize or have pity for someone. Even they will show their sympathy to this Antonio. So why cannot you? We all expect a gentle answer due. So all of us here, we are expecting a gentle answer. Gentle answer is your kindness we are looking for. And Shylock says, I have possessed your grace of what I purpose, and by our holy Sabbath have I to have the due and forfeit of my bond. So Shylock says, I have possessed, means I have told you of what I purpose. Purpose is what is my goal, what is my objective, what is my target. So what is my target is that I will have my bond. So I have told you already about that. And by our holy Sabbath. So Sabbath here is the day of Saturday. It is Saturday, which is considered a day of worship, rest and worship in Judaism. So on this holy day, he uh, he has taken this oath. He has sworn that I am going to have the due and forfeit of my bond. I will have that penalty which is caused uh, by not paying that amount on the due date. If you deny it, and if Duke, you are going to deny it, you are saying that no, you will not have your bond. Let the danger light upon your charter. So charter is that that we can say those rules, those that book of rules uh, by which this all of these trade activities happens in Venice, and your city's freedom. So charter is a kind of constitution, and if you are denying me, then let the danger light. Light is here, appear or come. Let the danger come upon your charter and your city's freedom. Because if you deny, then people will lose the faith. People will lose their faith in these rules, and you will ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. And you will ask me, okay, you will ask me why I am choosing a weight of carrion flesh is a pound of flesh. Carrion is again dead flesh. Why I am choosing this a pound of flesh instead of taking my 3,000 ducats? I will not answer that, but say it is my humor. So he says, I will not answer. I'm not going to answer it. You can take it as my humor, or it is you can think that it is a kind of fun for me. And he asks then, is it answered? What if my house be troubled with a rat, and I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it baned? So baned is to kill. That what if a rat is there in my house and it is troubling me, and I I am ready to give 10,000 ducats so that someone can come and kill this kill this rat, then what will you say? Why I am spending these 10,000 ducats? What are you answered yet? So you have your answer. Some men there are love not a gaping pig. So now he is giving these examples. He is just justifying that why can't I have this a pound of flesh instead of taking 3,000 ducats? So he is giving some examples here that okay. Third is there are people who don't like a gaping pig. Gaping pig is a pig with an open mouth. A pig with an open mouth, and some that are mad if they behold a cat. And there are then some other people who don't like a cat, and others when the bagpipe sings in the nose, and others are there who cannot bear, cannot contain their urine, means they cannot stand the sound of a bagpipe. They don't like its sound. Bagpipe is a kind of instrument, musical instrument, and for affection, mistress of passion, sways it to the mood of what it likes or loves. So he says, for affection, as far as the affection is concerned, that why I like this pound of flesh and I am not liking my money. So what is the reason? It is mistress of passion. So mistress of passion is that goddess of passion. It is all about these emotions or feelings which sways in the mood, which drives the mood of a person, and and on the basis of that, a person likes or dislikes something. Loads is dislike or hate. And now for your answer. Now, as there is no firm reason to be rendered why he cannot abide a gaping pig. So if you want an answer now, so there is no firm reason. There is no reason that why a person cannot stand, cannot bear. Uh, abide is here, bear or stand, endure. क्यों नहीं सहन कर सकता एक आदमी a gaping pig, a pig with an open mouth? Why cannot he see? Why he a harmless, necessary cat? Why he a woolen bagpipe? So again, he is saying he is questioning these people there that why is this case with different people that they cannot see a cat or some cannot listen to this bagpipe, but of force must yield to such inevitable shame as to offend himself being offended. So why uh, uh, why they have this shame or why do dislike these things, and and himself being offended means they dislike this, and they in return they they disturb their mind, they disturb their mind. Why? Because they don't like these things, and so can I give no reason, and it is not a valid reason. Okay, it is not a valid reason. And in that same way, that is why Shylock is giving his answer in the same way, that so can I give no reason. In that same way, I have no reason for taking this pound of flesh, nor I will not, nor I will not. And then he says, in his mind, more than a loathed hate and a certain loathing, I bear Antonio. So he is saying this in his mind that there is no reason. Okay, he is saying that openly. Openly, he's saying it loud out that there is no reason for me taking a pound of flesh. But in his mind, he says more than a loathed hate. Loathed is lying, lying, or which I have, the hate which I have for Antonio. and a certain loathing I bear Antonio. And again, that loathing, that a kind of a special kind of hate which I have for Antonio. That is the reason that I follow thus a losing suit against him. Losing suit, he says. Losing is that you are losing something. कुछ आप खो रहे हैं, हार रहे हैं. So what Shylock is losing here is money. He is losing his 3,000 ducats. That is why he calls it a losing suit. And he says, "Are you answered?" जवाब मिल गया. And Bassanio says, "This is no answer, thou unfeeling man, to excuse the current of thy cruelty." Current of thy cruelty is on this flow of your cruelty, or why are you having this cruel behavior towards Antonio? That is not the 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 answer to that question. And Shylock says, "I am not bound to please thee with my answers." So I am not bound to please मीन्स मेरा ऐसा कोई मेरी मजबूरी नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हें वो जवाब दूं जो तुम चाहते हो, या फिर मैं तुम्हें संतुष्ट कर पाऊं अपने जवाब से. ऐसी मेरी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. एंड बसानियो सेज, डू ऑल मैन किल द थिंग्स दे डू नॉट लव? एंड शाइलॉक सेज, hates any man the thing he would not kill? So Bassanio is saying that if you do not love something, then you should kill that thing. And Shylock says, hates any man the thing? So is there any man who hates something, and he will not wish to kill it? And Bassanio says, every offense is not a hate at first. Every offense is that if you have offended someone. So he says, this offending someone uh, does should not cause this much hate. And then Shylock says, "What, wouldst thou have a serpent sting thee twice?" So he is again giving this example of a serpent. Serpent is a snake. That if a snake bites you once, it bites you, then will you forgive it, and will you let it go so that it can bite you again? So that is his reason. And Antonio says to Bassanio, because Bassanio is here arguing with Shylock that this is not right what you are doing. And Antonio now says this to Bassanio, that I pray you, Bassanio, think you question with the Jew. So he's reminding him that you are questioning this Jew. You may as well go stand upon the beach and bid the main flood bait his usual height. And so now Antonio is giving some examples that questioning with Shylock, or convincing Shylock, is something like this: that you are standing on a beach, stand upon the beach and bid the main flood bait his usual height. And you are bidding or ordering the main flood. Main flood is that those waves of the sea, sea waves which come to the shore, and you are telling them that do not come, until here. Reduce yourself. Okay, so it is just like that, because those waves, they cannot listen what you are saying. That is their natural, we can say, natural tendency. And same goes with Shylock here. He is cruel naturally, and nothing can nothing, and he is also adamant, stubborn. Nothing can draw him against his will. And then he says, you may as well use question with the wolf. So this is second example that why he uh, uh, shouldn't try to convince Shylock. That you may as well use question with the wolf. You can question the wolf. Wolf is bhedia. एक भेड़िया, why he has made the Eve bleat for the lamb. So Eve is sheep, bed, and bleat is to weep. And why he made this sheep bleat. Bleat basically bleat is the cry of a sheep. भेड़ की जो एक आवाज होती है, that is bleat. So you can ask this wolf that why did it take this lamb. Lamb is a baby or a small, a young sheep. Why did it took that? And then there is no reason for that because it is a wolf and he will eat it. You may as well forbid the mountain pine. So mountain pines is pine trees which are there on mountains to raise their high tops and to make no noise when they are threatened with the gusts of heaven. So gusts is strong wind, strong winds, and pines is that those trees. Waves is swinging, swinging or sway, hilna. Their high tops and to make no noise. High tops is because these pine trees they are very high, very tall, and when there are these uh, winds, rough winds, then they do shake. And uh, this is the third example which Antonio gives to Bassanio that if you will forbid these trees that do not shake when there are these winds are blowing, so they cannot help that. They will uh, 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 shake. They cannot help it. So that it is that natural for Shylock to have my pound of flesh. You may as well do anything most hard. So again he says that anything most hard, the hardest thing in the world, you can do that as seek to soften that. As seek to soften is to to convince or uh, to do that. You can do that hardest thing. Then which words harder? Which word is harder? And more than that, more and that hardest thing, even that cannot be compared with the hardness of this Shylock, his Jewish heart, because his heart is too much hard. It is harder than that hardest thing. So do not waste your time in convincing Shylock. Therefore, I do beseech you, make no more offers. That is why I am telling you, make no more offers, use no further means, but with all brief and plain conveniency, let me have judgment and the Jew his will. But what you should do nothing, but let it happen. Let with all brief and plain conveniency means without saying anything, with very 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 easily let it happen. Conveniency is helpful. Let it happen. Let me have judgment. Let me hear the judgment. Let me and do his will, and let us take a pound of my flesh. Okay, so we will stop here.